Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you a demonstration of my snooker game. So as you can see, when you run this code, the first arrangement appears, the default arrangement. That's automatically happens when you run the code first. Alternatively, you can just press and you can see in the console game is in the first mode where when one is pressed, all the balls are in the default position. Similarly, when I press 2 on my keyboard, it will show a different arrangement. This time, a random arrangement of red balls and the other balls are in their default position. So I press again 2 again. I press 2 again. The red balls are randomized. Other balls are in their normal positions. Now the third mode is when all the balls are in their random positions. So not only the red, but the color balls are also in the random position. Now let's say I want to go to mode 1. Now I now notice the cue ball can be user handled. So basically you can place a cue ball anywhere within the D area, because in the rules of snooker, the once the cue ball goes inside the pocket, the opponent can place it anywhere within the D area. Obviously, in billiards and in pools, the rule might be different. In other forms of snooker, like billiard or pools, the rules might be different. In this snooker game, as per the instructions given, we can place the ball within the D area. Now the way I do this is by hovering the mouse over anywhere within the D area. Let's say I want to place it here. I hover my mouse over here, cursor over here, and I press space bar. I hover my mouse over here, again I press space bar. Again here. So again, you just place the ball anywhere within. And also you hear a small sound when you place the cue ball. I am not sure whether you can hear it, but I suggest you turn on the volume to hear it better. Now let's say I place it here. Now I try to aim. You can see in the console also the player is aiming to take a shot, and this happens when you drag the mouse and press it. When you press the mouse and drag, and you also notice a cue stick appearing. This cue stick helps in aiming the balls better, so you can aim better with this cue stick as it gives more accuracy. So the blue part of the cue stick, you can aim it to anywhere you want, depending where you want to hit. So let's say I want to hit this brown ball. You can easily hit it. And also you noticed a sound when I hit the ball. This is when the cue stick is striking the cue ball. That's a sound. Yeah, that tick tick sound. And also you notice one thing. The score became 2 because one red ball went here and one red ball went here. Also you noticed an applause sound where I added an applause sound where if one of the red balls or if one of the color ball goes inside the pocket, the audience start clapping. That sound I added as an extension. I added various sound extensions. So let's say I reset it again back. This time I'm aiming the cue ball in the pocket. Now you notice that it has a different sound, and you can see that here the cue ball has entered the pocket. The audience did not enjoy the shot, because usually in snooker when a cue ball just goes inside the pocket, it's considered as a blunder. So the audience will definitely will not enjoy that. And then you notice that the cue ball has not updated the score. That because it has no value technically. Now as so far I show the mechanics, the dynamics also. 4 sounds. One sound, one is the applause sound when the ball goes in, one is the disappointment sound when the ball goes here, and one is a striking sound. Now the other sound is a mode sound. When I switch between modes, you also hear a sound. This is to basically like make the game more realistic, because in many snooker games you have these mode changing sounds, and this makes it much more like interactive. Now again I place it anywhere I want. I hit this here, you again hear a sound, and again one of the balls went in. Again I can just start and then continue like this. So yeah, that is the summary of my demonstration. I wish I could explain more, but because of the time limit, I have to end it here. So in the code, I've given a detailed description of all the comments, and also I've included the commentary for my extensions that I added, the sound extensions. In total, there are 5 sound extensions: the applause sound, the disappointment sound, the cue striking sound, the cue placement sound, and the mode sound. And I also added the cue stick extension, the dynamic cue stick extension, and also the mode extension. I've just refined it. So yeah, thank you.